I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the right paper and adhesive. Choose 70 to 100 GSM paper so the note holds shape. Cut stacks into 3x3 or a custom size now. Once cut, clamp a small stack and apply a thin, even strip of PVA or glue along one edge. You want coverage without seepage. Make sure to work on a scrap underlay and align sheets precisely so the stack stays square. This first pass sets your final edge and prevents bubbling when dried. Now you focus on glue distribution and drying. Once the stack is aligned flush against a backing board, use a small brush or spreader to apply roughly a 1 mm glue layer across the edge. Slow, consistent strokes prevent pooling. Make sure to press the glue into the edge so fibers bond. Then put a protective strip over the glued edge and clamp with binder clips or weights. Leave it undisturbed until a tacky skin forms. That skin is what will give you removable notes. Finish by cleaning the edge and testing adhesion. Once fully dry, remove clamps and trim any excess glue or stray fibers with a blade. This keeps the glue line neat. You should press a note, peel slowly, and observe release. It should lift without tearing. If it sticks too aggressively, lightly sand the edge or use less glue next time. If it hardly sticks, apply a thin second layer or use a slightly tackier adhesive. Troubleshoot by adjusting glue thickness and drying time for consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.